at it. It's wonderful.
Build something using only yellow Legos.
Only yellow.
Build a bridge.
Build something the size of your shoe.
And build something that flies.
And the worst one, build something blindfolded. So this means that we need to have our eyes closed, grab a Lego, and then we need to grab another Lego until we think that it's completed. That will be hard because we don't know where the bits are to stick them. So we will choose what to build. There's no one around us, so who do you think it will be?
Mr. Spoon! Our spinning wheel. He's made of a wooden spoon because it's a DIY game.
We love DIY.
We'll have to spin the spoon.
And wherever this arrow will land on,
we'll have to do that. So now let's start.
So, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yay, I won again.
How comes I never win?
I'm the first one to spin the wheel. What will I get? Gentle.
Build something you can find in your kitchen.
I want to build a wooden spoon. This will be my spoon base. I'm almost done.
And then, what are you building? It seems like a tennis racket.
Broke.
And Danny, that would seem like a half tennis racket.
I builded my spoon. Why does this
And
wait, I changed my mind. Just made a tray to put the pizza in the wooden fire oven.
So Danny, please can you cook me a pizza margherita?
Yeah.
What pizza margherita is?
It's a pizza with tomato sauce, mozzarella and basil.
That's our favourite. Mom, can you cook some? My turn now. Ooh. Build something just using yellow Legos. What can I get? Oh, this. Then I can use this. Then, this is the perfect piece. What is this? Danny! Thank you very much. You collected them for me. Your joke failed.
What's that?
This is like a bridge mixed with this to make it home. Your turn now.
Okay.
I think it's this one more. This is so simple. Make a pattern with Lego.
A pattern with Lego? What shall I do? Now let's build the pattern.
Red.
Yellow. Red, yellow. This
This is the most simple.
yes.
Can you make a pattern at home?
Spain.
Oh,
Red, yellow, red.
we have it on the big map.
Do you know the capital?
Madrid. Now it's my turn to turn Mr. Spoon. Build something that flows. What can I
She'd
do?
have to build something and then we have to test it in water.
Wait. Done.
I think I saw this already. Bye bye.
So I need to build. So I'm gonna grab the first piece that should be yellow. The pattern that Daddy broke. Sorry, Daddy. Pattern. at it. Here can sit 2 brothers and sisters like me and Danny, and here can sit our mum. To make sure I pass that step, I need to see if it floats in the water. Danny, do you think it will go?
No, it's too heavy. It
Well,
floats.
it's going! Seriously.
If you can see from here, you can see there's a gap.
Yeah, there's a really tiny. I can see it from here.
Let's see what I have to build now.
I hope it's built something blindfold.
Even I want to get that. Oh.
Build
something
that starts with the letter S.
Let me think.
Really hard, Danny, but I already have one in my mind. Snake.
I know what to build a snail.
I can build a snail with Play-Doh. And Danny, but I don't want to tell you, but snails are only one color, that is grey.
His head and his shell.
Aww.
Then
Hello, Snail.
Hello. Hello.
I think I've passed it around.
Mr. Weird, please do something good.
Bad.
Good.
Bad.
Ooh. Build the tallest tower you can before it topples. Topple means
Tumbles.
before it falls. So I better go to work. I have an idea.
I'm Mr. Wolfer and the 3 little pigs.
I will hear it. Let's think to do a artistic tower, but it came up like Danny ugly.
Build
Your name
in Lego. I'm done. D-A-N-N-Y.
Well done.
I thought you could never make it.
Where it's gonna go? Build a bridge.
Okay, so I already have some few ideas in my head.
I want to build a bridge too, so I'm gonna do it too.
Amazing. Now I just need the last block to come. Danny, I'm done.
I'm almost done. I just have to do this last bit. This is my bit. These are the stairs. You pass in here. There's a little roof. Here's open, and then you come back from the other side.
I need to build something blindfolded.
I want to do it as well because I want to challenge myself.
Ready, steady, go. Nice try, Julie.
I use my hands to do this. Those are the stairs for the slide. 1, 2, 3, and this is the slide.
Ooh, nice.
I want to do the blindfolded again.
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go. 30 seconds left.
So hard. Let's grab this and then
Stop.
wow.
Julie stole my slide.
Because I was not blindfolded.
doing too good. Is she peeking? No. Yeah, she's not. You don't have it!
I hope you enjoyed playing with us. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Before we say bye-bye to everyone, let's